What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Say hello to Max once again. And as you've seen in my last video that I just posted, I was washing the car, did a little tutorial on that, on how I wash it, just a quick rinse. And in this one, we're gonna be installing TE37 SLs on the STI. And if you've been following me for a while now, you guys would know that I did have those installed on my WRX CVT. So now we're gonna install them on the STI. They're gonna be 18s. I know that the factory wheels on the STI are 19s, but we'll see how they look. And also, you know, the TE37 sticker that's red, I might be changing that. But leave in the comments if I should leave it red or should I just put these ones on. They should, these ones should match the calipers. As here I would take you guys so you guys could see them. Much better. So they should be really close to each other. They honestly look pretty good, honestly, if I were to put them on, but we'll see right now how the red one looks. And I already started jacking up the car and stuff, so they should be a fast process. I got the air compressor ready, and yeah guys, we'll see how this thing looks. It's gonna look badass. And also, with that being said, I might just leave these for winter. I don't know how good these tires are in the winter. They look a little bit more on the sportier side for sure. I need to do some research on these, but I know that before the WRXs had like Dunlap tires and stuff, but I don't know, we'll just have to see. Let me take you guys so you guys can see the tires and wheels. These things are gonna be pretty dirty. Here, they're right here. Yeah, these things are super dusty. They haven't been cleaned in like forever. There they are, boys. They've just literally been sitting here for a while. It's almost been I think half a year, maybe. But yeah, as you guys see right here, that's what I was talking about, the red one. We'll see how the red one looks, but if not, I'll probably just put the neon one. And these tires are 265, 35, 18s right there, as you can see. And the wheels are 9.5 wide with the 40 offset, for those wondering. So they should be a lot meatier, and they should look super cool, I think. So let's slap them on and see how they look. But first, I'm just gonna do a little quick wash because these things are filled. Use a little bit of soap, water, did the trick. They weren't really like dirty. They just had a little bit of dust, but that was just because they were just sitting there. I should have put some bags over them, considering what type of wheels these things are. They're not cheap, guys. But anyways, good thing I did not sell these wheels. I was almost so close on selling them, guys. I was gonna post it on YouTube for you guys to see if you guys wanted them, but good thing I didn't sell them because now I have my STI. So right now I'm just gonna connect that, and then we'll take off the first wheel. We'll clean up the caliper before we put the wheels on and everything, so everything looks flawless. And we'll see how this turns out. Oh, and I also wanted to tell you guys that for this process you're going to need a 19mm socket. I don't know if you can see it, 19mm right there. All right, and that's all there is to it, guys. This is what we have in stock. Stock suspension, big old Brembo brakes. Yep. So I'm just gonna clean that up real quick and then put the other wheels on. And to clean the brake calipers, I'm gonna be using, let's see here, Chemical Guys waterless car wash. Okay, and also guys, we have our raised lug nuts here that were super duper expensive too. They're like 170. It's crazy how much these things are worth. But anyways, I put the first wheel on, obviously not with the lug nuts yet, but it's up there, and honestly it looks crazy. I'll give you guys a sneak peek right now. You guys, that looks awesome. Just like the amount of caliper you could see through these with these wheels, it's just crazy. That thing's huge. Oh my gosh. So with that being said, I'm just going to show you guys at the very end with all the wheels installed. Okay guys, I looked up the torque spec and it says 89 pound-feet of torque, but I think I'm just going to put it to 100 just to be safer. Okay, and as for tire pressure goes, guys, I'm just going to set them at 35 psi. I was going to set it to 40, but I think that'll be a little bit too high, so 35 should be fine. So after I do that, then I'll finally show you guys the end result. The car looks crazy, guys. Like, I don't know, I'm honestly speechless. This thing looks insane. Okay guys, she's ready. She has everything. I put some tire shine, I got the tire pressure done, I got the torque specs done. Dang, this thing looks insane. You guys ready? Here it goes. Be about it for this video. My GoPro just died. This thing looks insane, guys. The calipers pop so much. Man, this thing's crazy. And also, here, let me go get that one other stickers that I told you guys about. So let me know if you guys actually would like to see these, or what should I do with these, if I should actually put them on or not, because right now it looks pretty good, honestly. Red doesn't look bad. I don't know if this would be just too much if I were to put these on, but it might look cool, you know, who knows. But for now, I think I'm just gonna rock them like that, and then we'll see in the future. Just leave in the comments down below, see if I should actually do these or not. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like it up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.